Welcome to our YouTube Shorts. Today, we're going to show you how to create a viral video that will captivate your audience and skyrocket your views. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a compelling concept for your video. Think outside the box and aim for something unique and attention-grabbing. Step 2. Write a catchy script that engages your viewers from the very beginning. Make sure it's concise, funny, and relatable. Step 3. Set up your camera and lighting for the perfect shot. Consider using different angles and creative techniques to make your video visually appealing. Step 4. Edit your footage using professional editing software. Add music, transitions, and special effects to enhance the overall quality of your video. Step 5. Choose the right platform to publish your video. YouTube is a great choice, but don't forget to share it on other social media platforms to maximize its reach. Step 6. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your video. Research popular hashtags in your niche and include them in your video description and social media posts. Step 7. End your video with a strong call to action, encouraging viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Engage with your audience and respond to comments to build a loyal fan base. There you have it. Follow these steps, unleash your creativity, and create a viral video that will leave a lasting impression. Good luck! Thank you for watching our YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on creating engaging content. See you next time.